Good morning everyone. I am Srijan Kumar, a student of BCA PPU Bachelor second year. And today I have decided to present a website which I have made in Drupal using Enquiry plugin. But before I start, I would like to express my heartfelt gratitude to our respected teacher, Mr. Neeraj Singh sir, for giving me this wonderful opportunity to showcase my work in front of all of you. So let's get started with the presentation. In this session, I will walk you through the entire layout of my website and highlight its key features. So this is the homepage of my website, and the name of the site is Giftopia. It is an e-commerce website. The homepage is designed to be simple and user-friendly. So first of all, at the top we have a header section in which at center we have Giftopia, the logo of the website, and at the left side we have home and navigation bar, which include home, store, about us, contact us, and at the right side we have search bar, login, user login form, and after that shopping cart option. So let's see. These are the feature products of my website, and then after we have the about us section, which have detailed information about our site. Then we have a customer review section, and after that the delivery information about our website, and at last we have location and contact information. Let's see how we can buy product with this site. So first we have to go on store section or through order now section. This both button works same. This is the store section of my website. Here some products I have had. Let's buy one product. This is a lamp, and here is detailed information about the product. If a user wants to buy more than one quantity, then we can simply add here the amount of item we want. Like I want 4, then we have to go to checkout. This product will add in the shopping cart section, and here we have to fill the email on which the order confirmation mail will send. Let's check out, and after that we have a payment section where pay by cash already selected, and here are delivery details along with contact number and delivery address. If a user wants any special request, then they can write here, like I want to get it as soon as possible. And after writing that, we have to just place our order. So our order is now successfully placed, and after that we have to just check our email for the confirmation. Here is the buyer's email. We got the mail. This is the product with the price, and there is a tax invoice and buyer's details. Now let's see the dashboard of the website. This is the dashboard of the website, and here we got the message that buyer has buy our product. Let's check. Here we got the details of the product, and we can change. If we deliver the product, we can change its status and also the payment. So this is all about my website. Thank you for listening me attentively.